Hi, my name is Dr. Rola, clinical psychologist, and today I want to talk to you about how to learn to trust again. Many people who have experienced betrayal and abuse at the hands of those who should have protected them have been traumatized by those experiences to a point where they think that love means hurt, that love means pain. This affects them to a point that when they become adults, they end up trusting people they should not trust, or even walking away from people who they should trust. And that's why learning to trust the right way is very important. Because as you listen to many of my videos, I talk about the importance of relationships. So I'm going to talk to you about 3 things I want you to pay attention to as you put your faith out there and you make the decision to connect with people in a way that will benefit you and also benefit them. The very first thing I want you to pay attention to as you're learning to trust again is to pay attention to diversifying your relationships. Diversify your connections with others. Stop looking for a deliverer. Oftentimes when you've been hurt and abused, you're looking for that experience or that 1 or 2 people that's going to wipe out every difficult experience you've ever had. When you have that kind of need, you may end up projecting that need onto others and assuming that they can give you what they cannot even deliver. And you're also more likely to trust people too quickly or not take your time to get to know them before you begin to believe that they can do what they cannot do for you. You may also fall into the hands of predators, people that promise you things that you don't even know that they can deliver. But because you're looking for a deliverer, you're looking for somebody to save you from the pain you've experienced, then you may fall into the wrong hands. So look at diversifying your relationships. Don't put your trust in everyone for everything. You can trust somebody to help you and support you in getting a job. That doesn't mean you have to trust them to manage your money. So you can diversify. Look at different people meeting different needs, and it gives you time to gather information and make sure you're making decisions about trust to protect yourself and to make sure you're not making poor decisions again. The second thing I want you to do as you learn to trust again is to see trust as not absolute. Do not fall into this trap of feeling like you have to either trust somebody completely or distrust them completely. Understand that you can trust somebody or people in general in stages based on the information you have. Don't feel guilty if you don't trust somebody completely. Be okay about trusting people based on the information that you have. And if they're demanding that you trust them right away or completely, maybe you need to run because they need to give you the benefit of time and allow you to take your time in making your own decisions. And then the third thing I want you to pay attention to as you learn to trust again is forgive yourself if you make mistakes with trust. So say you're trusting somebody and you thought they could deliver in a certain area and they disappoint you. Don't beat yourself up. Just make an adjustment. Now they've shown you that you can trust them in a certain area. Make the adjustment. Forgive yourself and keep on moving. Understanding that trust is something that you need to develop over time, and that trust is something you need in order to be able to develop relationships that are healthy and that will help you to grow and heal from the pain of the past. If something I've said has been helpful, let me know. Like my video, leave a message and a comment, and let's keep this conversation going.